Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.